My name is Julio dos Santos. I'm working with USAID Tourism for All as a National Tourism Coordinator. Today, we are organizing a group of tourism influencers to come to explore the new tourism assets that the projects help facilitate the communities, which is rich in culture, religions, natural. So the village that we are heading on will be at Kamea Lenukun, and then the highest peak of in Dili with Mount Kakusa. And then after that, we heading down to Metiaut, and we finish our experience. Another new site, new experience. It is just close to Dili, man.
That's what we need, yeah? More things close to Dili.
Yeah, more things close to Dili.
How did you find this one, Julio?
Huh?
How did you find this walk?
This walk?
Yeah.
I had to come with a colleague.
Okay.
Yeah, we came on. We discovered this last year, and we came, and then we had experience. We did a trek, and then work on it until today.
Yeah.
And today is
today's the first day with people, yeah?
Yeah, of launching this. I can say launching this.
Yeah, launching. So you've been working with the local community as well?
Yes, I've been working with local communities. They are the local representatives from the communities.
So you're using local tour guides?
Yeah, from the two sub-villages.
Yeah.
Lelukun and Ailelehun in Kamea Suku. Manlay.
Timor Leste.
Almost. Oh. Wee.
It's a nice view.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, huh?
You can see this thing, Dili.
Yeah.
Dili is the famous for transport.
How are you feeling, Julio?
Good, good.
Good?
Yeah, overall.
So how long did it take us? What's the time? From the village?
From the village,
Yeah.
1.5 hours.
1.5.
Yeah. We start from there at I think 9:30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we left at 9:30 from the village.
We made it up here.
Let's start.
Suntai tuan.
Kollega turtan itu nih istilah outlet. Oke. Timor Leste. Timor Leste. Timor Leste. 1, 2, 3. Timor Leste. Timor Leste. Timor Leste. Timor Leste. Timor Leste. Timor Leste. Audiens Iranian. Kakusa. For Kakusam. Haunia. Timor Leste. Leste ka. Kubisir naman ako doon. Wow.
Wee. Nearly. That bit. A rascal lost. In the neck. It's a batasti. La lice.